How much do you really know about the auto start-stop feature in your BMW? Love it or hate it, most new vehicles will automatically stop your engine when idling, and BMW is no exception. But why is it there? How does it work? And does it even do anything beneficial? Well, BeamerTech is here to break it all down for you.
Part of BMW's efficient dynamics brand, the auto start and stop feature will automatically turn off and on your engine to reduce time spent idling. This will save on fuel consumption and decrease CO2 emissions. BMW puts this in their BMWs and Minis, both hybrids and non-hybrids, as well as automatic and manual transmission cars. In short, when your BMW comes to a full temporary stop, the engine will turn off. When you release your brake pedal, the engine will start again. However, the BMWs are smart, and the control unit responsible for monitoring data from all relevant sensors will not turn off the engine if the engine isn't up to operating temperature, the air conditioning is running with high temperatures outside, your journey is over, or other instances that we will cover later. For an automatic transmission car, come to a complete stop and keep your foot on the brake. To start the engine again, take your foot off the brake and the car will automatically start. For a manual transmission, stop the car, press in the clutch and shift to neutral and release the clutch. This will auto-stop the engine. To auto-start, put the car back in gear. The car will not auto-stop if the vehicle is moving or rolling.
So the big question, how much fuel are you actually saving? Well, this depends on a lot of factors such as how long you're idling, exterior temperatures, engine temperatures, are you using the AC, and so on. Taking all these factors into consideration, BMW engineers estimate that you could save between 3 and 12%. Now that you know what the auto start-stop feature is, how it works, and what some advantages are, let's talk about some potential disadvantages.
Generally speaking, no, as long as you keep up with scheduled maintenance and don't use poor quality oil. Cold starts are more dangerous to an engine since the thicker viscosity of cold oil doesn't allow it to reach parts with tight clearance. This is why the auto feature only works when the engine has reached operating temperature and will auto start if the engine drops in temperature. Your BMW is smart, and when it detects your battery may be getting low, it will start the engine to keep it charged up. BMW engineers took all of this into account and included AGM batteries with higher capacity in vehicles using auto start-stop, and included beefier starter motors to cope with the extra demand.
To make sure that your auto start-stop feature is working optimally, there may be a few instances where your BMW may not start or stop your engine. So let's take a look at that list, starting with why your BMW may not stop your engine.
The car has not reached 9 miles per hour for automatics or 5 miles per hour for manuals after starting. The vehicle is rolling. The engine is not at optimal operating temperature, or the battery charge is too low.
To see the full list of reasons why your BMW will not stop your engine, click the link in the description to head on over to our blog.
The common reasons your BMW will not restart your engine are: the driver's door is open, the driver is unbelted, the shifter is in the park position, or the gear is engaged without declutching.
Let's finish things off with why your engine may have auto-started even though you haven't started driving yet.
This could be because your vehicle starts to roll with the engine turned off, or the temperature inside your vehicle is too high.
While this list isn't as long as why your BMW may not stop your engine, there is definitely more to it. But to keep this video on the shorter side, click the link in the description to head on over to our blog for that full list.
If for whatever reason you're tired of this feature, you could turn it off simply by pressing the disable button located near your ignition button. However, this will only be disabled for your current drive. To have your BMW remember your most recent selection, you'll need some coding with BeamerTech. BeamerTech offers remote coding where we can program your BMW to remember the last setting you had for the disable button. This means you will not have to press it again each time you get in your car. Click the link in the description to order this coding today.
While the concept of automatic start and stop may be understandable, I hope we were able to give you a better understanding of the BMW automatic start and stop system that may be featured in your vehicle. For more tips and tricks about BMWs, Minis, and Supras, make sure you subscribe to this channel and don't forget to ring that bell so you don't miss any of the future upcoming videos. And hey, check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok as well. Thanks for watching.